Up fresh. Yes. Welcome, Mr. Vivek Saga. You are appearing for which interview? You are appearing for interview for which grade?
Sir, scale 2.
You are appearing for scale 2. Oh.
Yes, sir.
So what is the experience you have in legal field?
Sir, right now I'm practicing in Barakpur court in criminal laws. Uh, from the date of my registration, I have been practicing in court in the same court at Barakpur
Yeah, how many years you have been practicing?
since 2017. Sir.
2017. It's a good 5-year, 6-year period. Good. I appreciate it. So
Thank you.
you are handling which type of cases?
I am handling mainly criminal cases. Right now, I don't have my personal brief. I generally do practice under a senior uh, who who dictates who dictates me what to do and how to do.
Don't
Uh,
tell like
mm,
don't tell like this. If you tell like this, they will think you are not capable of doing things independently.
Sir, I do things independently, but the briefs, the clients are of my seniors only, not my personal clients.
You don't have to tell that also. Don't have to tell openly that way. You tell I handle, but you are telling me that you are handling criminal cases only is a negative point. Is a negative point. They
But
don't want criminal lawyers for bank. Of course, we do require criminal lawyers to some extent, but not large extent. We require people for recovery of monies and follow up of the cases and all that. So how are you going to match it up? Their expectations.
sir,
Their
till
expect
now,
Yeah.
till now, I didn't have so much opportunity to work in banking laws and other laws relating to bank. But I have the theoretical knowledge as uh, as per my belief, and I have been practicing in criminal courts, so I know how to conduct in criminal courts and other courts. I know the process, and I have the ability to do any banking related cases. Uh, I have that theoretical knowledge to conduct any case in any court.
What have you studied BL?
I have studied 5 years course of BA LLB from Calcutta University.
Good. 5-year course. That's right. Why did you not go for post graduation?
Sir, my uh, my mom generally told me to give a uh, exam of entrance for law graduate. So I gave that exam. I qualified for that. Uh, so I uh, took the chance and went for law. I don't have any specific or special interest in any other field rather than law. So I chose this field.
No. My question is, आपने क्यों ML पढ़ने के लिए नहीं गया? मास्टर ऑफ लॉ पढ़ने के लिए क्यों नहीं गया है?
Oh, sir,
आपने
LLM.
आपने ये बोलना है that my family required my earning money, so I came out and I wanted to earn money, so that is why I did not join ML. You have to tell like that. Okay.
Okay, sir.
अच्छा, प्लीज टेल मी, अच्छा क्यों इतना आवाज आता है, साउंड? व्हाई डोंट यू गो टू ए प्लेस जहां देयर इज नो साउंड?
Sir, my home is crowded right now. My natives are
मोस्ट ऑफ द
making
many
to.
people many people have come relative. कुछ फंक्शन चलता है?
नहीं सर, कुछ फंक्शन तो ऐसा कुछ खास नहीं है, बट आए हैं तो अब क्या कर सकते हैं सर।
आपको घर में ज्यादा होता है, लोग ज्यादा आएगा जाएगा इस समय पे। वेरी गुड, इट्स अ गुड जॉइंट फैमिली, अच्छा होगा आपको। बढ़िया है, बढ़िया बढ़िया। हाउ मेनी सिबलिंग्स यू हैव, विवेक साहा?
I have only one sibling. His name is Tushar sir. He
व्हाट इज
has
ही डूइंग?
he's doing a job by having a engineering degree.
He is working in company as an engineer. So
Yes, sir.
your answer should be complete. You should tell he is working in IT company or whatever company. पूरा
Sir,
details देना.
actually I don't. Sir, actually I don't know in which company he is working right now.
If you
Uh,
tell like that, how will I give you my job? अरे भाई, a lawyer who doesn't know even about his brother, हम क्यों उनको आप नौकरी देना, बताओ?
सर वो सर मेरे टच में रहता नहीं है ऐसा
अरे
कुछ
भाई,
आज
मेरे को मेरा सनीला क्या काम करते हैं वो नहीं जानते, वो तो सही है, कोई बात नहीं। हमको तो कोई जॉब को जरूरत नहीं है, लेकिन आप तो यंग मैन है, यू मस्ट नो। You ask him what is the name of the company, what is the designation he is doing, where he is working. You don't have to ask him his salary and all. What is the nature of work he is doing? ये सब आपको पता। अरे भाई लायर साहब, आप तो जानते हैं, जब ये केस लेते हैं हम लोग, पूरा पर्टिकुलर्स लेके आना है ना,
हाँ सर।
पूरा पूरा पढ़ के मन में रखना है, तब तो हम लोग डिसाइड कर सकते हैं। सही है ना?
यस सर, यस यस सर, यस
अच्छा जी, नाउ आपको उम्र क्या है?
सर। राइट नाउ आई एम 29 years.
आपने इतना दिन क्या किया? 25, 26, 27, 28, ये सब क्यों बैंक में अप्लाई नहीं किया? अप्लाई किया बैंक को?
नहीं सर, 25th तक तो मेरा डिग्री ही मेरे को मिला। अ, और फिर मैंने प्रैक्टिस किया। प्रैक्टिस काफी साल तक किया है। 4 to 5 years I have practiced in court. And since
नो नो,
last 1 year I
अभी क्या प्रॉब्लम है आपको? इफ यू आर लेस देन 28, you can apply for IBPS PO law officer scale 1.
Yes, sir. I have given exam 2 times, but I failed to qualify prelims exam.
अच्छा, whereas here you have succeeded, correct?
Yes, sir. I have
तो
also given RRB SO also, law officer, RRB law officer.
are you OBC?
Yes, sir. I have OBC, but I
You
didn't
have
use
you have OBC certificate, creamy layer, non-creamy layer certificate.
non-criminal certificate. I have, sir.
You have,
Yes, sir.
वो प्रोड्यूस करना है, then only they will give you benefit. तब तो I
But
think
sir, I have.
you can even write IBPS PO scale 1 exam, because don't mistake me. My first impression about you is that you are not eligible for scale 2. समझ गया?
Sir, I am eligible for scale 2 because uh, they have asked for a practicing advocate for 3 years experience. I have 5 years experience, sir, and I have the theoretical knowledge which will be beneficial to conduct any bank related matters. I have that knowledge. I have a confidence in that, and I know how to do any sort of conducts in court. Uh, as because I have been hearing, I have I I have been conducting criminal matters in court. I have also have few judgments with my name of uh, divorce cases and uh, mutual divorce cases and nullity of a marriage. I
अच्छा,
have those
you
judgments.
handle diverse cases also.
Yes, sir.
अच्छा, बट डाइवर्स केस एंड बैंक को क्या रिलेशनशिप है? कुछ
Sir, both
रिलेशनशिप है?
are सर कुछ थोड़ा बहुत सिमिलरिटीज है सर। जैसे कि जनरली बैंक रिलेटेड मैटर्स जो पहले बिफोर DRT 2002 bank matters were been governed by CPC, and the divorce cases now which is been conducted in court, that is also governed by CPC. So few relations are there, and now
अच्छा, कोई बात
with
नहीं.
new.
Okay, I will agree you are eligible. Now, please tell me one famous case you have handled, criminal case.
Sir, I have right now in criminal cases, I don't have any judgments with my name, but I have done a bail matter of 307 culpable homicide not amounting to murder. Uh, the, in that case, I have got bail, but I don't have any judgments with my name right now.
Very good. Doesn't matter. No problem. We will take you are eligible. Then, assuming that you are eligible, we are going ahead. Can you please tell me what is the contribution to bank as law officer? What will you contribute to us? Supposing we take you as manager.
I will contribute in bank in by handling any bank matters which bank will have to face in courts and other forums and tribunals, and I will also handle all those matters which are under NPA or anything. We will handle all those customers also, the those are uh, who are not fu- fulfilling the conditions of NPA. I will issue. We will handle the legal obligations of bank.
What is DRT? What is ordinary money suit?
DRT came into force from 2002, in which debt actually the act name is Recovery of Debts and Bankruptcy Act 2002, and DRT is a far more better and a far more the main motive of DRT is to speediest hearing of banks debt cases, in which DRT actually handles uh, DRT actually handles all the matters related to bank debts for speedy hearing, which uh, which previously in normal civil courts it continues year by year.
Hello. हेलो.
Yes, sir.
आवाज
Hello.
आता नहीं. आवाज आता नहीं. Speak.
Hello.
Speak,
Yeah, hello,
Baba.
sir.
Speak.
Hello.
Speak. DRT. What is the difference between DRT and ordinary lawsuit? You have not answered my question fully. What is the minimum amount for which all
Sir, I am
DRTs?
audible.
Yeah.
Yeah.
DRT case minimum amount कितना है?
DRT case minimum amount is 1 lakh, above 1 lakh. Sorry, above 20 lakh.
About 20 lakhs. What is
Yes,
the
sir.
court fee to be paid?
Court fee is to be paid between 12,000 to 50,000.
How do you know this?
Sir, by DRT Act.
The tribunal levies a fixed percentage of amount as fee. This amount can be lowered down by the order of the tribunal if needed. What is debt recovery? How much do you pay for debt appeal in India?
For appeals, sir, it can go maximum amount uh, is 50,000, but it can be reduced by court to 25% of the due debt amount.
Court fees in debt recovery tribunal. You cannot file appeal with deficient court fee, how to lodge security appeal, so and so, fees for applications and appeals under section 17(8). Every application under subsection appellate tribunal amount of fee shall be as follows. No, what is that? Amount of fee payable, rupees 500 for every rupees 1 lakh or part thereof. Then amount of fee payable rupees 5,000 plus 250 for where the applicant is a borrower and the amount of debt due is 10 lakhs and above. Applicant is a borrower, then he has to pay 5,000 plus 250 for every rupee 1 lakh or part thereof in excess of rupees 10 lakhs, subject to a maximum of rupee 1 lakh. So ये सबको पढ़ना है जी. I am giving you the link. Okay.
Yes, sir.
I am giving you the link for this in C.B.I, Central Bank of India. In that place, I am giving you. Please go through this. See, I'm sorry, Vivek Saga, आपका preparation is not fully sufficient और कुछ भी नहीं है, आपने prepare पूरा नहीं किया है. Because आप सोचते हैं you can manage it easily, but ऐसा नहीं है. आपने तो बैंकिंग का बारे में पढ़ना है, केसेस का बारे में पूरा पढ़ के मन में रखना है, and then you must be able to answer very well. Are you satisfied with your preparation? I have been asking
Right.
questions for the last 10-15 minutes. Are you satisfied with your answers? बताइए हम.
I have to revise throughout again. That I feel I need to be crystal clear about my answers. I
आपको
need to
yeah. So
yes, I
one
need to revise.
they may ask you questions in English, or they may even ask you in, say, so what is your number? Number is 90381, correct?
Yes.
90381. Here only I have given you that my questions. आपका 1 minute. Law officer questions. Yeah. So you need to prepare a lot. आपने preparation ठीक नहीं है, और भी prepare करना है. Now tell me a few points about law of limitation.
Law of limitations is a code for which is having schedules where the limitations were given time but for every cases सारे cases के लिए सारे sections के लिए, जैसे कोई भी document हुआ, कोई भी appeal हुआ, shoot उसके लिए limitation time पर जो time होता है वो दिया हुआ है.
बोलिए. हेलो.
Yes sir.
लॉ ऑफ लिमिटेशन, इसका बारे में हमको बात बोलो.
Sir, law of limitations code law of limitations code में शेड्यूल्स दिए हुए हैं और सेक्शंस है जिसमें लिमिटेशन टाइम लिमिटेशन दिया हुआ है when you can invoke your rights in court.
What is the limitation? For various documents, limitation period क्या क्या है? Demand promissory note, agreement,
Yes.
something like that, assignment. ये सबके लिए what is the minimum limitation period? इसका बारे में बताइए.
Sir, There are various documents like bill of exchange, promissory notes, and other such documents where the limitation is given is 3 years.
In the case of promissory note and also in the case of bill of exchange, it is 3 years, correct. Now,
Yes, sir.
supposing there is a mortgage, what is the limitation period?
Sorry, sir.
In the case of mortgage, what
Mortgage.
what is the limitation period?
Sir, for withdrawal of for redemption of mortgage property is 30 years, uh, and for uh, and for forfeiture of mortgage property it will be 12 years.
Mhm. Mm,
For redemption of mortgage property it will be 30 years.
redemption means what?
Yes, sir.
Redemption means what?
Likewise, if
No,
suppose
no,
a
Abhi,
party has
redemption means what? Abhi, I am only comfortable with cases where the borrower has taken loan, he has offered his house property as security
yes,
to the bank or
yes,
landed property as security to the bank. मेरा क्वेश्चन ये है, हम कितना साल का अंदर में मेरे सूट फाइल करना है? बोलो जी.
बैंक सूट फाइल करेगा सर?
हाँ जी.
बैंक सूट फाइल कर रहा है कि मॉर्टगेज ही सूट फाइल कर रहा होगा सर?
मॉर्गेज ही, हाँ, कितना साल का अंदर में करना है?
सर 12 years सर.
Very good. That is correct. Within 12 years, where you are going to depend on the mortgage. But normally banks तो इतना लंबा allow करते नहीं है. They depend on DPN. What is DPN? Hello?
DPN.
DPN.
Yes sir.
D for Delhi, P for Peter, N for Nagpur. What is DPN?
Sir, I don't know.
Huh?
Sir, I
De
don't know.
demand
I don't know, sir.
promissory note.
Yes sir. Demand promissory. Yes.
या सो मॉर्गेज में आप तो 12 साल का अंदर में करना है, लेकिन बैंक तो अपना डिमांड प्रॉमिसरी नोट का ऊपर में सूट फाइल करेगा. इसी वजह से तो वो 3 साल का अंदर में करना पड़ता है. समझ गया?
Yes sir.
आपको एनपीए के बारे में कुछ जानते हैं? व्हाट इज एनपीए?
Non-performing assets, sir.
व्हाट इज नॉन परफॉर्मिंग एसेट?
Sir, the assets which are not returning for the period of 90 days, they have crossed the period of 90 days and they are not returning uh, the interest amount or the principal amount. These types of debts are called non-performing assets.
What is the classification of non performing assets? What
Sorry,
is
sir.
what is the classification of non-performing assets?
Sorry, sir.
Substandard, then doubtful,
Yes,
then
sir. There are three kinds of non-performing as a substandard, which will be after the period of 30 days, then doubtful asset after the period of 60 days, and then NPA. Then bank will declare the asset as NPA, and it will be beyond 90 days.
no. Totally wrong. Totally wrong. And what I am going to do is to give you a material, bank promotion material,
Okay,
जहां
sir.
आपको डिपॉजिट भी होगा, एडवांसेस भी होगा, वो पूरे का पूरा आप पढ़ना पड़ेगा.
Okay, sir.
एक मिनट ठहरिए, हमने क्या देते हैं आपको दिखाते हैं, उसका बाद में आप जाके पढ़ सकते हैं. आपका प्रिपरेशन और भी अच्छा होना है.
सर मैंने बेयर एक्ट से ही पढ़ा है.
बेयर आई ट्रू. नॉर्मली बेयर एक्ट हो जाएगा इन द केस ऑफ स्केल 1 ऑफिसर. बट जब आप You are going for scale 2. We expect you to know more about banking वगैरह. समझ गया?
Yes, sir.
इसलिए आपको ज्यादा जानना जरूरी है. That is why I am asking. You should know banking. This is what I want you to read. Are you seeing here?
Yes, sir.
This is Indian Bank promotion study material. It's a 600 pages material. ये पूरा पढ़ने का आपको समय नहीं होगा. You please concentrate on, say, you please concentrate on corporate credit, then risk management, inspection and audit, legal aspects, NPA management and recovery. ये सब पढ़ लीजिए. समझ गया?
Okay, sir. Okay, sir.
I am giving you this material. You can study that. Next, you come to this fight in Indian Bank FAQ on policies. FAQ on policies. Here you discuss about NPA management policy, then cyber security, whistleblower policy, then legal documentation policy, then compliance policy. ये सब का बारे में प्रिपेयर कर दीजिए. आपने इसका अंदर में जाके पढ़ना पड़ेगा. समझ
Yes,
गया?
sir.
ये
Yes, sir.
पूरा पढ़ के आप मन में रखना है. Then only you will be able to answer the questions properly, because you may be asked questions relating to Surface Act. You may be asked question relating to insolvency bankruptcy code. Okay, all these things they will be asking. So kindly go through this, prepare yourself very well, so that you may be able to score good marks in the interview. And you are talking very well. English is good. Communication is not so good, but chalega, 60% mark मिलेगा. But scale 2 manager का, अरे भाई इसमें तलब तो 80,000 रुपया है. समझ गया?
वो सर मैंने सर देखा नहीं वो.
हाँ, 80,000 रुपीज सैलरी. वो देने के लिए तो आपको एबिलिटी होना, तो आपको
सर मैंने
बिल्कुल
वो जानबूझ के
बढ़िया
पे
नॉलेज,
स्केल सर मैंने
बढ़िया
सर
नॉलेज,
पे.
बढ़िया
हाँ
नॉलेज
सर.
रखना है, बढ़िया नॉलेज होना है. आई एम नॉट टेलिंग you have applied for money, but I am telling you, since you are coming for scale 2, I expect more from you.
Yes, sir.
I can't be giving scale 2 to a person who doesn't know the basics of banking, basics of law, legal suit filing, recovery, decree. Then ये सब तो आपको पता होना है. If you have
Yes,
some of your friends working in bank, उनका साथ लॉयर वाला, उनका साथ में आप बातचीत कर लीजिए, उनसे अंडरस्टैंड कर लीजिए, वो आपको सुविधा बढ़ेगा. समझ गया?
yes, sir.
इसका अलावा अभी ये पेपर हमने दे दिया. हमने सोचा ये सब जरूरत नहीं है, बट आपको स्टैंडर्ड देखने से आई एम कन्विंस्ड आपको मेरा बैंकिंग का मटेरियल देना पड़ेगा. और दीज थिंग्स अबाउट लीगल एस्पेक्ट्स एंड ऑल आप पढ़ना पड़ेगा. देन यू कम प्रिपेयर्ड फॉर taking up another mock interview, say after few days. एक हफ्ता 10 दिन आप ले लीजिए, पूरा प्रिपेयर
सर
कर दीजिए.
सर 10 दिन टाइम नहीं हो पाएगा बिकॉज 26 से शायद इंटरव्यू कंडक्ट होने वाला है।
अच्छा, then
तो
you take it on 21st or 22nd?
यस सर, यस सर, यस सर, डेफिनेटली सर।
21st or 22nd? 1 minute.
Sir, actually, I don't have these kind of materials which I can prepare. I was only reading Bare Acts and I'm just going through all the Bare Acts only.
I know.
So
बेयर एक्स ओके, बट जब अब बैंकिंग का अंदर में आते हैं हम लोग को, बेयर एक्ट अलोन सफिशिएंट नहीं है। हमको चाहिए व्हाट अ लॉयर शुड डू, व्हाट अ लॉयर्स फी शुड बी पेड, एंड आपका काम क्या क्या है, डिक्री कैसे लेना है, कैसे एग्जीक्यूट करना है, ये सब प्रैक्टिस में होने से तो बढ़िया होगा। समझ गया?
yes, yeah, yes, sir.
Yeah, 21st, I will mark you at 6:30 p.m. शाम को।
Yes,
शाम को फ्री
yes, sir.
रहेगा और देरी होगा कोर्ट से आने का? नो
सर अभी
प्रॉब्लम?
तो मैंने अभी नहीं जा रहा हूँ सर।
ठीक है, कोई बात नहीं। अच्छा, आपका नंबर इज, योर नंबर इज 90381, करेक्ट?
यस सर।
व्हाट इज योर फादर?
दिलीप साहा।
अच्छा, नो, व्हाट इज ही डूइंग?
He is having an electric shop, sir.
अच्छा, वेरी गुड.
He is an electrician.
Very good. Next time when you come, you don't have to pay 300. You have to pay 200 rupees and then come for
Yes,
guidance. I will check up how you have prepared. समझ गया? हमको समय
yes, sir.
नहीं है पूरा आपका साथ में बैठ के पढ़ने के लिए, समय नहीं है, इसलिए आप
No,
इसको,
sir, I will prepare. I am surely I am convincing you that I will prepare all these subjects and I will prepare
yeah.
that you don't you will not having any complaint with me.
No complaint. God bless you. Thank you.
Thank you, sir. Thank you,
अच्छा,
sir.
हम ये आपको भेज देगा, 1 मिनट, आई विल फॉरगेट। अच्छा जी, ये दे दिया आपको अभी अभी। आपको व्हाट इज योर नंबर? 90381, करेक्ट? उसमें आपको दे दिया जी।
Yes, sir.
ठीक है।
मैंने अभी मैंने मेरे एक फ्रेंड है, उन्होंने मेरे को कहा कि वो अभी IBPS लॉ ऑफिसर के स्केल 1 में है। तो उन्होंने मुझे सजेस्ट किया था कि आप जो प्रैक्टिस करते हो, फिर आप जो बोलोगे कि हाँ मैं इस फील्ड में प्रैक्टिस करता हूँ, लाइक दैट क्रिमिनल और सिविल और एनी अदर टैक्स प्रैक्टिस और एनीथिंग एल्स, तो वहां से क्वेश्चंस वो लोग ज्यादा पूछते हैं।
हाँ, आई नो।
तो
आई विल गो इनटू योर क्रिमिनल केसेस, उधर में भी बहुत कुछ क्वेश्चन पूछना है,
हाँ, तो
बट
मैं अभी फिलहाल वही रिवाइज कर रहा था, जैसे कि आपका CRPC, IPC,
या
एविडेंस, फिर आपका CPC, ये सारा
ये
मैंने अभी
उधर
रिवाइज
में
कर
भी,
रहा था।
उधर में भी हम पूछना है। उसका अलावा बिफोर दैट माय माइंड सेज यू रिक्वायर द बेसिक नॉलेज ऑफ बैंकिंग, बेसिक नॉलेज ऑफ एनपीए कैसे आता है, उसको प्रोविजन कैसे करना है, ये सब भी पूछेगा।
यस
आपने
सर, यस
बैंक में काम नहीं किया, फिर भी आपको ये सब जानना जरूरी है। यू आर मैनेजर।
यस, यस,
थैंक यू, बाय।
यस सर, थैंक यू सर, थैंक यू।